Hello everyone, please on your videos. If you can't on your video, please type in the chat that you can't and the reason. Okay, Payal and Lekana. Okay, okay. You guys need to on it throughout the class. Yeah. So today we won't have a class. We'll be just okay. Uh, okay. Lekana, it's fine. Lekana has asked my permission. I need the others to on their videos. Yeah, even you got. Okay, so we won't be having a class today. We will be having a small, not a revision, but kind of like a test. I mean, it is not advanced topics. We'll be going through the basics. I just want to know if everyone knows the topics, the basics properly, so that we can go further on. Okay, so it'll be simple code. It will be just if else statements and maximum loops. So that is the maximum we are gonna take today. Okay, so that's for the first 40 minutes. Then we'll have a quiz, I think, from Angelina. Okay, so we'll start with Trisha. Do you have a laptop? Um, uh, I mean, did you say something? I didn't get you.
No, I don't have laptop.
Okay. Then Trisha, I'll ask you later. Uh, okay. Who has laptop right now? Raise your. I mean, I can understand if you have a laptop, but who has it? Raise your hand. Yeah. Ashish has. You are. You should also have. Yeah. And Bharat, you don't. Oh, Bharat.
No, I don't have.
Okay. Lekana has it. Even the people with phone can also do it. I'll ask them later. So for now, I'll ask the people with laptops. Okay. Yeah. So we'll start with Ashish. Uh,
Yes.
yeah. Can you open your even either VS Code or Google Collab? Either one is fine.
Okay.
Do you need some time?
Yeah, I opened it.
Share your screen, and you should not have any tabs open, and you should have your video on.
Okay, I am joining from phone.
Okay. Okay. So you have to share your screen then. Just okay. That's fine. Uh, you can't share. Uh, okay. Even this is fine. Why can't you join from your laptop?
I don't have that much range mobile data.
Okay. Don't need the laptop. You can just do it in your phone. Just open Google Collab and share.
Okay.
So it'll be pretty simple code. You guys don't need to worry much, and it's not a test. We are just checking if you guys need more revision for your. I mean, we're gonna teach some advanced topics from now, so you'll need to know the concepts properly. And also, no one has submitted the uh, flourish charts. If you guys need to, I mean, you guys need to attend the workshop, right? So in the workshop, you need to do something. So if you want to do something, you'll have to do the flourish charts before and submit it to me. Uh, does anyone want to volunteer, or else I'll have to assign you guys? Assign to it. I'll assign you some charts. You'll have to do it. No one wants to raise your hands if you want to do a chart, because this is what I'm gonna do in the workshop for the Karnataka students. The Telangana students, I think, are they in the workshop? Tanish-
Yeah, they can still do the chats.
Yeah, even the Telangana students can do the charts. Okay. So Dhanalakshmi has raised a hand. No, wait. Who raised a hand? I didn't see it. Okay, Dhanalakshmi, yeah. Okay. So only Dhanalakshmi wants to do a chart. What about Yuga, Bharat, Ashish? You guys are coming to the workshop. You don't want to do anything. You don't want to show your skills. And Lekana, you guys are there in the workshop, right? So the workshop will have to do some stuff. So the main topics is AI and the other topic is flourish charts.
Okay, then I will do one.
Okay.
Leo, it's better if you
I'll assign.
assign
You
it
can,
to
if you want, you can choose your own chart. Okay. I assign it to them? Okay. I'll assign it to you guys. For now, I'll do the class, and after the meeting, I'll assign it to you guys. Okay. Yeah. Ashish.
Yeah, I'm ready. Wait a second.
Okay. So I'll explain the code. I mean, I won't explain the code. I'll just say what you're supposed to do, and you'll have to write the code by yourself. Is it fine?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Uh, so yeah. So you'll have to create a code which prints the table of a given number. So an input should be the given number, and you'll have to print the table of it. You will have to use for loop for it. That's it.
Yeah.
You have to make a code where you ask for input, which is the number of the tables you want, and you'll have to use a for loop to make the 7 ones are 7 or 7 twos are 14. Is it understood?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, we can start writing the code. So everyone have random different questions. So it will be easy. This is pretty easy topics we are going to do. I just want to check your understanding. Yeah. Yeah, the code can be minimal. You can make it as small as possible since we have to even give others chances. You don't need to type the entire thing. Yeah. Okay, now you already typed it, so don't cut it. Just go to the next one. In the code, I need the entire multiples, like from 1 to 10. So 5
Yeah.
ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. I need the entire list, not
Oh,
just the multiple. I need the entire table. I'll give you a clue. You're supposed to use. I mean, you're supposed to use range. You know what's range, right?
yeah, yeah.
You'll have to use range to the code.
അറിയത്തില്ല. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഞാൻ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഒറ്റ സെക്കൻഡ്. ഞാൻ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഒറ്റ സെക്കൻഡ്. ഞാൻ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക.
It is not one there. What are you multiplying x with? You're supposed to multiply x with something. Yeah. Capital M. Okay. Yeah, the code is pretty much done. Executed. I don't need the equal to part. It's fine. Just execute it. Uh, hello. I should just execute it. Execute the code. Okay. Ashish, you can see that it's invalid syntax. Do you know why? Your audio is off, by the way. Yeah. Okay. Hey, continue. Ashish, are you here? Okay. Uh, yeah, your audio is still off, but just continue. It's showing syntax error in line 2. So what is in line 2? Which is wrong. Okay, so for should be in cap. The first letter of F should be capital or small. Yeah. Okay. You have 2 more minutes to run this code. I won't help you anymore. Uh, if you want, you can execute it now. You have 2 minutes. After that, you have to go to the next person. Okay. You have make you have 2 more minutes. Okay. I said I won't help, but the print should be capital or small. Try it again. Yeah, it's still just into 9. In range, you have start, stop, and step. So, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ashish. That's it. You can stop sharing your screen. Ashish, you did pretty good, but I will need you to practice again and again so that you'll be more familiar with writing code. Yeah. So next we have Yuga. We'll do 5 minutes time from now, and it'll be a simple code. Yeah. Share your screen, and you'll have to have your video should be on.
It's visible. Yeah.
Yeah, it is
Code
visible,
is
and for you, um, okay. Wait, let me check. Yeah. So for you, it will be more simpler code compared to Ashish, since we don't have much time. So it's very simple. It is to find the largest of three numbers. So you'll have to have three inputs, and in those three inputs, you have to find which is the largest number. You can use if statements for this. Okay, you can start. You can give variable ABC. Yeah. Just copy paste it. Yeah. Now the if else, yeah. Okay, you got 5 minutes is up. So this is fine. I'll need you to do it. I'll need you to make code more often because almost the entire syntax is wrong. You will have to relearn if-else statements. You'll have to learn operators and even print statements. You have supposed to put to define a string. What are you supposed to do? Supposed to put double quotation marks. So yeah, you'll have to improve a lot. Okay, that's it. Thank you, Yuga. You did do the input part good. Yeah, you can stop sharing your screen. Yeah, Yuan can stop. Yeah, you can off your video if your connection is slow. Yeah, next is okay. We'll go with Lekana. You can just share your screen. Your mobile is fine. Okay, so yeah, I think you can't speak. Okay, so you have to do the same code as Yuga. You have to write a Python program to find the largest of three numbers. Okay. So your AI is helping you to make the code. So what I want you to do is, I want you to only use simple if statements, and you are not supposed to use and operator. Simple if statements are the statements which don't just have if statements. They don't have if else, not if elif, just if statements.
Can you do it in collab?
You can copy the code which you wrote till now, since you can save some time. Just the input part, yeah. Guys, using AI to help you write your code is acceptable, but you're not supposed to always depend on it. Yeah. Yeah, okay. If you want, you can use if else statement also. Yeah, you can use elif too. Okay. Is the code done? If yes, you can just run it. Okay. Um, Lekana, you understand the logic of, okay, time is up, so I'll tell it to you in simple words. You understand the logic, but you don't know exactly what to use here. So you need to practice your indentation, because indentation plays a very important role in these kind of codes where you have nested if statements and uh, more. So you understand the, I guess you understand the algorithm, you know how to make it, but you don't know exactly what to use. So in the end, I'll show you how to make the code in the fastest way possible. Okay, thank you. You can stop sharing your screen. Yeah. Next up we have Trisha.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you share your screen? Even mobile is fine. Google Collab.
Google Colab doesn't work when I be attending the class.
Okay. Tanishka, should we ask her later or should we?
Oh, just a second. Trisha, what was the problem?
When I use two systems together, it starts hanging. So then I have to leave the class.
Is it fine if you just text?
Can you repeat once again?
Can you just text
Yeah.
in the note? Like you can share your screen and you can write the code in the note. Is it fine, Leo?
Yeah, and that is fine.
Notepad is not there with me in app.
Not notepad, just note in your mobile.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
fine. Yeah, others, can you turn on your video?
Yeah. I feel lonely. I want others to on.
Is my screen visible?
Not yet. Okay, I don't think she can share a screen. You know what? I'll share my screen and you can just dictate the code. Yeah. Trisha, can you see my screen? Yeah. Okay, you can just speak out. So I want you to make the same code I said to the previous two. That is, find the largest of three numbers. We take three inputs of three numbers. Then we use if-else statements or if statements or nested if statements to find out which is the largest number. Trisha, are you here? Okay. Okay, you can text. But I need you to be quick. I'll only give you 5 minutes time. So till 17. You can text one line by line so that we can be more faster. Just text line by line.
Trisha, can you share your screen and then text? Are you there? Can you share your screen and then text? Okay, then here you can ask others.
Okay. I'll ask Dekana Sood. Dhanlakshmi, I guess she's the last one. Can you share a screen or do you want me to share my screen and you'll say it?
I'll share.
Okay. I also want your audio to be on with video and audio, if possible.
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you share screen?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Can you share the screen because I have some error?
Okay. Mm,
Dhanalakshmi, can you not share your screen?
No,
Why?
there's some error
Some error in what?
in sharing.
Hmm?
While sharing.
Ah.
okay. Yeah. So the same code, the largest of three numbers.
Yeah, okay. A is equal to
Okay. I also want you, I don't know if you are reading it from somewhere. So I also want you to, I can't ask you to close your eyes. Tanishka, do you have any solution for this?
I don't know. You can just ask her questions to know
Okay,
if
I'll,
she's
okay, I'll ask few questions too in the middle then. Okay, A is equals to
Int input.
I will say
Open.
exactly what you say. So you'll have to say if bracket is there, you have to say that.
Okay. Before the int, yeah. Brackets, open brackets. Input. Again parenthesis. Inside the after input. Okay. Inside that parenthesis, double quotes. Enter a number. Colon. Yeah. In the next line. Yeah. In the next line.
Okay, yeah. So why did you use int input? Why didn't you just use input?
Because if we ask any input, then only it can give the output.
No, I'm asking why did we use these three words and these three letters in?
Yeah, because we are asking for the numbers. So
Okay,
yeah, the same code.
yeah,
Yeah, in the next line, C.
yeah, and yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now,
Next, if actually, can you explain once again that code? Because I
okay,
have some confusion.
so the program is to find the largest of three numbers. So you have three numbers A, B, C. I want to know which is the largest number. If it is A, if it is B, or if it is C.
Like we can give, for example, A is 9 like that or what?
Yeah. So for example, A is 10, B is 20, and C is 30. I want Python to run that C is 30 and C is the greatest. Or
Okay.
if B is 40, then B is greatest. If A is 50, then A is greatest. Like that. I need you to be quick.
Okay. If A
If A
greater than B,
greater than B,
in the next line, print,
okay,
you have to give some spacing in that, in the print.
okay,
Yeah. Inside the parenthesis, double quote, um, A is greater than B.
okay. So when Yashika had the same mistake, so I want to find the greatest of three numbers, not just one number. So currently we only have A and B. I also want to know if it is
Okay. In that if line, um, near that if A greater than B and
okay. So you're using AND operator. Okay.
C, yeah, in the print line,
Okay. I don't want you to use AND operator because even I didn't ask Yashika to use it. So there is a simpler way to do this code.
mm,
Okay. I don't, since it's already 21, it's been more than 7 minutes. Okay. All the three of you, you guys tried, I mean, you guys understand the logic, but you don't know how to do it. Yeah. I will explain the code. And I mean, I want you guys to practice code without the help of chat GP. Yeah. Dhanashmi can, I mean, you're done. Yeah. I mean, I want you guys to do, I mean, type code by yourself without the help of ChatGPT. Since when I checked right now, I asked many of you guys to write code, and to be honest, you guys are being, I mean, struggling a bit. This code is the simpler part of, I mean, coding you guys have to learn. This is just the basics. It's not, I mean, it is the starting of the basics. So if you guys are struggling with this, it'll be harder for you guys to go on forward. So here we can just make another variable and assign its value as a. Okay. Now if b is greater than big, print if b is, I mean, if b is greater than big, then big, I mean, b is it big is equals to b or b is equals to big? Anyone can answer. Is it big is equals to b, or is it b is equals to big? I want anyone to answer. Okay, I'll call out Ashish.
Yeah.
Is it big is equals to b or b is equals to big?
Is it?
Okay. Is it big is equals to, okay, oh, I should stop sharing my screen. Let me share it. Yeah. Is it big is equals to b or b is equals to big?
If B is equals to
Okay. So when you're using equals, it is right to left. So from the Python interpreter reads the code from right to left. So you're assigning the value from right to left. So it is big is equals to b. Yeah. You guys need to brush up your concepts. Yeah. And if we are using if statement, we can use, again, we'll use double if statement. You know, there is if statement, if else statement, if elif statement, and nested if statements. There are four types of if statements. Okay, so here we'll do if c is greater than big. And big is equal to c. Now then big comma is the largest. Okay, so then wait 1 second. Ah, no, my number lock was off. Okay, so the code was quite simple. I think Yashika and Dhanlakshmi and who else was it? Yuga. So the code was only these many lines. It was very simple code. So I need you guys to brush up your concepts. Here I'm using just if statements. You can also use and operators instead of using variable big. You can do if a is greater than b and a is A is greater than C. Even this logic does work, but this will make it too easy. And operators is kind of a cheat code, you can say. So you guys need to brush up your concepts a lot. If you want me to help, I'll give you some codes. I'll give you some program names. I want you guys to try it out yourself. And if you have doubts, please don't use ChatGPT. If you can use ChatGPT, but don't copy and paste the code. I want you guys to understand the code. Since when I looked into the codes you guys are writing, some were silly mistakes, but some need to understand the concepts of if-else statements, strings, and even operators. So I need you guys to revise this part. Uh, Tanishka, do you want to add anything?
No, I just wanted to tell you guys the same thing. I was actually quite surprised when I saw a few of you struggling. I thought you'll be able to do it, but it seems like you're not practicing, and you're it's been like many months since you practiced, or many weeks since you practiced, and you're not familiar with these codes. But this is what you learned before, right? When you were learning if else statements, you saw all these examples, right? You had assignments, so you did all this and you forgot because you did not understand, or maybe you did not practice it. That's why. So I just think that without without understanding these basic thing, then you cannot learn further. Even if I teach you very well the topics next, but you cannot understand because you don't know these basics properly. I'm not telling that you don't know at all these stuff, but you still need to know it perfectly because it's very simple, like the main foundation things. If you cannot understand these things, then later on when you start writing codes in level 3, then this if else stuff, you'll just have it in a line and then you don't understand anything that time. So practice, and then yeah, because that's the only thing that we cannot do for you. Only you can do it. Like I said last week. So yeah, I want to ask from you guys, uh, because every time I speak a lot there. Um, Yuga,
Yes, could you hear me?
do you want to? Can you say something after today's test?
Uh, like after doing it, I realized that I should practice that. To be very honest, I was not practicing in the free time, so I stopped that and I'll try to give my best and I'll try to practice well.
Okay, promise? Will you do that?
Yeah, 100%.
It's recorded, okay? I'll show it to you if you are not honest because you promised. This is a recorded one. I'll upload it to you too.
Yeah, I promise you, I'll do that.
Okay. Then what happened to Ashish?
Yeah, I will also promise that I will work hard from now.
Then yeah, you can say something. What did you understand?
I understood that, like I forgot the topics real fast.
You forgot.
Yeah.
Because why did you forget? Why did you forget?
Because I didn't do regular practice.
You didn't practice regularly.
Like,
Yeah, so will you do it now
yeah,
onwards?
yes.
Yeah, you can. Then what about Dhanalakshmi?
Yes, sister. Due to the negligence of my practice, I may feel a bit tough, but it was easy. If I practiced, maybe I could do it today.
Hmm. Okay. Then you can practice. So yeah. Then what about Trisha? Trisha?
Yeah,
Yeah. Can you say something after today's test?
yeah. And first of all, I was having some internet issue, and I was trying to send that chat, but I couldn't send that too. So I think that I should have some bit practice while writing the code. Also, I was struggling a bit to write the code. So I think I have to practice a lot regularly.
Hmm. Yeah.
Due to my tests, I was not having regular practice these days. So from
Due
this
to
week,
what?
tomorrow, can you repeat?
Due to what you couldn't practice?
There was a test, PA2 test. So it is going to
Since
be ended tomorrow.
since last month, October, you're having your PA2 test?
That and all I practiced, but regularly I will be. I have to revise that and all, but I just do that only for that class. So I was lacking a bit practice. So I'll make sure that I practice well.
Yeah. Okay. Then Lekhana, oh, you cannot speak. Do you want to text? You can text. If I'll read it if you send it before we end the class. And Yuvan,
Yes, sister.
how was your day?
Yeah, nice, sister.
Yeah. So you're grade 7, right? You're in grade 7.
Yeah, sister.
Okay. And you're attending the another class as well, right? On Sundays, you're attending another class.
Sunday,
Uh, you know,
Saturday on that, sister.
I don't know, Saturday or Sunday, but you are attending one, right? In the weekend. You learned
Yeah, sister.
PowerPoint recently.
What, sister?
Yeah. You learned PowerPoint recently in the class, right?
Yeah, sister.
So, was that useful? Can you understand those classes?
Uh, I can understand, but not clearly.
Oh, okay. I'll tell them to make it clear for you, okay? Then, yeah. Did you share your PPT too in the group?
Yeah, sister.
Um, oh, yeah, you have shared it, right?
Yes, sister.
Yes, very good. I'm proud of you. You can try. And I'm happy that you're attending both classes. And I'll make sure to, and I mean, me and the instructors will make sure to help you properly so that you can learn well. Yeah, you are very active and you're honest. Very good, Yuan.
Thank you, sister.
Yeah. Then others, I mean, it's not just about practice. You can just you know try to understand, and you know you just have to get the experience. You know, if you just attend the class and then do the assignment and then that's it, then it will just fade away, like I said in the message. Everything you learned. But you learn it now and then you practice. Even if you're not practicing, you just try to solve some other codes or try to write other codes, and then you learn new things, and you fail, and then you try to understand it. You yourself do it voluntarily, then you will remember it. But now it's like you don't have much work. You attend class and then you do assignment, and then now assignment's not regular. So just you attend the class. You will remember about WeJump only on Fridays, right? So that shouldn't happen. So you can try to be honest, and for those who just joins in phone, even though you have laptop, that's not good, because you have it to attend the class and learn, right? So why phone then? And then those who have the laptop and kept at school, um, I told you to get it home for on Fridays at least, and then do your assignments and practice at school. You can do that, okay? Because that's the main step. Later on, you can learn, okay? First, you can do that. Then you can start learning. Yeah. So first that, then you can learn communication, then you can learn Python. Okay? So you guys can do what I said, and then if you have any problem, you can inform me. I'll help you out, but I should know that you're there. Or if you don't tell me and just join classes on Fridays, I don't know whether you're there or you're just attending class on Fridays. So that's it for today. You guys can leave. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.